You artist in YouTube, but it's nothing to me. You're
I'm the man. You want to see monkeys get messed up? I can bring it to you. Every video that popped up, I clicked it, put it in a file. Why? Because every file came with a $sign to me. And I'm delivering to a point of what these people are asking for. And essentially, I became a king in this demented world. It's no different than drug money. Drug money comes from dirty hands. This money comes from bloody hands as well. When you wake up and realize that, it really messes with you.
That's meaning. Why are you like that? Shut up. I want to kill you if you like that again. Minnie? No.
This is Minnie?
Yes.
Wow. How old?
Minnie 1 year.
And the other one?
Other one about eight months. You know, I have the 20 more, and they are gone. About 7 days ago, Minnie almost died. Twice, she out, and I put in there, and out again. Oh, that is make me so angry. I put a head, and I like a wolf, and you know, blood out in the mouth.
belum sempat sama apa kata ya wes koyo berarti koyo anakku dhewe tapi kan aku wong tua sing bejat wae memanfaatkan dekku golek duit loh ya walaupun aku jahat sama dia tahu sayang gitu loh Mbak.
Beautiful. Sorry for what you've been through.
Dulu giginya hancur dan sekarang sudah bagus karena ini proses penyembuhan juga dan tumbuh gigi baru.
Bagaimana ada harapan dia bisa lepaskan kembali liar?
2 atau 3 tahun kita bisa lepas liarkan lagi.